This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Update iPhone 16 and have your Google sign-in ready. Open Settings, tap Contacts, then Accounts to begin. Once there, choose Add Account and select Google. This initiates the OAuth sign-in flow. Enter your email and password, complete two-factor authentication if prompted, and allow the requested permissions. Make sure Contacts Sync is toggled on during that permission step. This gets the phone and Google talking, so contacts can be imported and kept up to date automatically. Once your Google account is added, you must configure exactly what syncs and how. Tap the Google account entry in Settings Contacts Accounts and confirm Contacts is enabled. This tells iOS to import entries. Next, go to Contact Settings and optionally set Default Account to Google so new contacts save there. If contacts don't appear immediately, open the account and trigger a manual fetch or pull down the Contacts app to refresh. Doing this ensures your iPhone shows the same entries as Google Contacts. Finish by verifying contacts in the Contacts app and tapping Groups to ensure Google is visible. If entries are missing, make sure Contacts visibility is enabled in Groups, then restart the Contacts app. If problems persist, sign out of the Google account and sign back in to refresh tokens. This often resolves permission glitches. As a final step, reset network settings or remove and re-add the Google account. If you do that, make sure you have your Google credentials and two-factor device available before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.